Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, the greatest man to have ever stepped on earth, warned us about many things, including shirk. There are two main types of shirk, major and minor. Major is when someone associates partners with Allah, though Allah alone is the creator and the sustainer. The minor forms of shirk can be believing in fortune telling, believing that something can save you from misfortune, believing in evil omens, or believing in fortune telling. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, warned us about fortune telling by saying, whoever approaches a fortune teller, inquires him or her, acknowledges him or her, his prayers will not be accepted for 40 days. And the Prophet warned us about evil omens by saying that whoever cancels one's intention because of an evil omen, that one has committed shirk. The companions asked, what is its kafara? The Prophet answered by saying, O Allah, there is no good except from you, and there is no misfortune except from you. Indeed, there is no God but you. Jazakallah.